He's scared of me, huh? Yeah, he's scared. Aww. Uh-oh. Okay, as long as I have one. How come he's not coming down? How do I get up there, Jasmine? I have to pop all of his... I have to burst his bubbles. Sorry to burst your bubble. Oh! My ring, my ring. Oh, man, he comes down every once in a while. What? The ring is... There we go. Oh, whatever, I hit him, man. Okay, come down, do your swoopy-de-doop. Ooh! Bubbles! Wait, wait, wait. Holy cow, what the heck, dude? We're still alive, we got our one coin. I don't want flowers. Show me some rabbits. Alright, have a good time. Here, Jazz, polish this. Wow, my hair is like so white. That's from the stress playing this game. Quartz. Man, I feel stressed out playing this, but I just don't want to stop. What happened? My ear! Come on! What was that? Why is there a cat? What happened? Oh my gosh. What is happening, dude?
Oh, I remember this one. Because here's the moonwalk.
I have to run across. Oh, that guy got me twice. I'm not even pressing it. I gotta go that way? Am I going the wrong way? What's happening? What is happening? Oh, these are escalators. What hit me? This? Hold on. Stop. So it is an escalator, okay. Man, this is irritating. No, 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 no! So I have to... There we go. I have to go up there? Come on. I have to go... I'm so confused, man. Am I doing it? I don't know what I'm doing. It says to go this way. Then it says to go that way. Oh, that controls the way the escalator is going. Right? I got one ring. I am not going fast. Wait. Don't squish me. I can feel... I feel feelings. Ah! Oh, my neck is swimming! Oh, I got him. So if it's facing this way, we go this way. I'm just gonna take it slow, man, because this is stressful. I remain calm. Ish. Oh yeah, he's got the power! I missed the button. How do I change the... What is happening? This is kind of creepy, dude. Okay, come on, let me get through, man. I'm going this way. Alright. See? Nothing to worry about, man. Relax. I play this game to relax. No, we'll see. Nobody wants